Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Roblox avatar back to the classic Blocky style on every major platform, including the Roblox website, the Roblox PC app, the Roblox Mobile app, and finally, how to make every player spawn with the classic Blocky character inside Roblox Studio. Let's get started. Roblox website. First, open roblox.com and log into your account. Click on your avatar icon, then click Edit Avatar. The Avatar Editor window will appear. Select the Body tab. Move your mouse slightly below the tabs and choose Torso. Now simply toggle the Preview button. If nothing happens the first time, just toggle it again. Sometimes it takes 2 tries before the change is applied. Now go back and select the left arm. Toggle the Preview button again to convert it to the classic Blocky version. Repeat exactly the same process for the remaining body parts. Right arm, left leg, right leg. Once every body part has been switched, your avatar is now using the classic Blocky body. If you'd also like the classic R6 animations, open the Scale tab and change body type to R6. Now your avatar has both the Blocky appearance and classic R6 animations. Roblox PC app. Now let's do the same thing inside the Roblox desktop app. Click Avatar. Select Edit Appearance, then click Edit Avatar. Open the Customize tab. Choose Full Body. Open Body Parts. Just like on the website, select Torso first and toggle the Preview button until it changes to the Blocky version. Repeat this for every remaining body part. The process is exactly the same. If you also want R6 animations, click the Build button, then use the R6-R15 switch. If your character looks too large, switch to R15 first, adjust your body size, then switch back to R6. That's it. Testing in game. Now let's open one of my favorite Roblox games, Blox Fruits, and wow, the classic Blocky avatar looks amazing. The animations feel nostalgic, and personally, I still love this classic Roblox style. Roblox Mobile App. Now let's switch to mobile. Open the Roblox app, tap Avatar, tap Edit Appearance, then tap Edit Avatar. Open the Body tab. Choose Full Body. Open Body Parts. Select Torso, then tap the Preview button to switch it to the Blocky version. Repeat this process for all the remaining body parts until your entire character is Blocky. To use classic R6 animations, open the Build section and simply choose R6. Easy. Roblox Studio. Finally, let's make every player use the Blocky style by default inside Roblox Studio. Open your project. Go to File and select Avatar Settings. If Roblox asks you to save your project first, go ahead and save it. The Avatar Settings window will appear. Select Body on the left. Under the Appearance section, click Custom Parts. Enable Select All. Then enter 0 for every body part. If you want to keep the default face, head, or mood, simply leave those options unchecked. Next, select Animation on the left. Choose Standard R6. Finally, click Save Changes. Now press play. And there it is. Your default player character now spawns as a classic Blocky avatar with R6 animations, without writing a single script or creating a custom character inside Starter Player. I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more Roblox Studio tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.